More than 100 videos, 1000 subscribers, 206k views. And I've done it all without showing my face, not even once. It's not because I'm shy, it's because I usually look like a walking laundry pile while filming. If you ever thought, can I grow on YouTube without fancy gear, a studio kitchen, or makeup? The answer is yes. But let me save you some mistakes with 14 brutally honest lessons I've learned. Get comfy, stir your curry, and let's get real. The first tip: no one watches your first 10 videos, and that's a blessing. You will spend 3 hours editing and a royalty free flute song, upload, and get 2 views. One from you, one from your cousin. But you know what? That's freedom. No pressure. You are invisible. So experiment. Add slow-mo of sizzling onions. Film from awkward angles. No one's judging yet. Those first 10 are like the ugly childhood photos of your channel. Just make them. You will cringe later, but they matter. Second tip: you need a style that won't burn you out. Don't make 5-angle cinematic biryani if you're out of breath after stirring once. Find your pace. My latest style: one camera, one mud stove, and the background music of birds and neighbors shouting. If filming feels like preparing for a wedding, you are doing too much. Keep it sustainable, which is better for long run. Third tip: the face behind the voice is optional. I was worried no one would trust a faceless channel. Guess what? No one cared. People clicked for the food, stayed for the vibes. Voiceovers can be powerful. Silent cooking can be peaceful. If you are not ready to show your face, use your flavor instead. That's what builds trust. You don't need your face, you need your fire and creativity. Fourth tip: lighting and angles matter eventually. My first videos looked like I filmed them inside a sock. Yellow lighting, steam fog, random elbows. Over time, I learned to clean the lens, use a natural light, and avoid shooting with oil splashes on the camera. Don't buy fancy gear on day one. Just level up with each upload. You will notice the glow up. Fifth tip: shorts are like street food. Fast, hot, addictive. My 5-minute long videos flopped. My 30-second shorts got me 28k views in 48 hours. Shorts are like fried pakoras. crispy, satisfying, and over quickly. Use them to hook new viewers into your longer content. Also, reheating rice in shorts equals relatable content gold. So, reuse your shorts, make it different, and re upload what's working. Copy the style and do similar shots. That doesn't mean you are overdoing the same thing. It means you are finding your pace and hooking your audience. Sixth tip: thumbnails and titles are more important than you think. You could cook the best prawn curry ever, but if the thumbnail looks like a horror movie screenshot, no one's clicking. Use bold text, contrast, and storytelling. Not fish curry. Try why my grandma cries when I burn the fish. Your thumbnail is your movie poster. Make it spicy. Seventh tip: don't copy, adapt. Yes, try trends, but put your twist on it. I once copied a viral video. Mine looked like a crime scene. Make content that matches your kitchen, your voice, and your style. Viewers aren't looking for a clone, they want you. Even if you are off frame, your soul should be in the video. Unless you are making a ghost pepper curry, then no souls, please. Eighth tip: talk to comments like you would talk over lunch. Reply to comments, laugh with your viewers, ask them about their lunch. YouTube isn't a stage, it's a chai shop. Sit down and chat. One comment said, I watch your videos while eating alone. That's when I knew it's more than recipes, it's comfort. Learn the YouTube game, but don't lose the joy. Watch time, CTR, A/B testing. Yes, these matter, but don't let the analytics steal your joy. If you loved filming it, someone will love watching it. Treat your channel like a garden. Water it, check on it, but don't dig it up every day asking, why haven't you grown? Let it grow on its own pace, but put your full effort. Make sure don't waste your time rechecking the uploaded video's performances. Rather, start working on the next video straight away and apply with the techniques that you have learned over the time. 10th tip. This is the big one. Batch film. Trust me. Film 3 dishes in one session. You will save time, oil, and your last nerve. Some days you are in the mood. Use that momentum. On tired days, you will thank past you for pre-filming. I once filmed 10 recipes in a row. I was tired, my fridge was full, but they helped me to get amazing videos out and more in stock for later. 11th tip. Numbers will mess with your head. Some days 10 views feel like a punch. Other days, 1,000 views feel like a parade. Don't let the graph rule your mood. Progress is sneaky. Trust the small wins. Also, never compare your rice to someone else's biryani. 12th tip. Mistakes are content. Burnt food, spilled salt, sound of goat's meat shot, that's real, that's relatable. Viewers love the imperfect bits. You're not a cooking channel, you are a human sharing moments. Just don't post a video of you setting your sleeve on fire unless you title it Flaming Roti Gone Wrong. 13th tip. Take breaks guilt free. You are not a robot. Rest days matter. Life happens. Your health is greater than upload schedule. Come back refreshed. Your audience will wait, especially if you promise pickles when you return. 14th and the final tip. You might be changing someone's day. You might think, I only have 50 views, but maybe one of them smiled, cooked along, felt less lonely. You're making more than content. You're making connection. Don't quit now. Don't quit today. You have got something real. If you made it this far, you are a legend. If you are creating content without showing your face, you are powerful. And if you have just started, I promise every awkward video is a stepping stone. If you are thinking of starting, just do that today. Messy, real, and from the heart. Because every great creator once had 0 views too. Keep going. Your story is cooking. Hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment if you're a fellow quiet creator. We are small now, but not for long. Much love. See you on another video.